Oh, okay. Wow. Amazing. No joke. I'm not even joking. Good morning, guys. Today is day one. Yes, thank you, Paisley. Today is day one of Optavia, and I got up early. Forgot to take my makeup off last night. We had a show. I'm exhausted, but it's super early because I want to get this unboxing video done for you. I'm still in my pajamas. I'm sorry about that, but I just couldn't wait. And I don't want to start the day too late because you have to eat every 2 to 3 hours, and I have to have 5 meals before dinner tonight. So right now, we're looking at 8:30 in the morning. I did my first weigh-in, and I have to tell you, all week, because of the anticipation of this, I have been eating like I'm going to the electric chair. According to one of my subbies, she gave me that tagline. I love it. I think it's hilarious, and it's so true because I ate everything. And I have to tell you, I wasn't feeling too good. I was eating bread and just everything. I went and had Wendy's cheeseburger and french fries yesterday. That was my last meal. So I'm feeling pretty gross today. Swollen, whatever. But you know what? I figured I needed to do that this week to reset myself. Say hi to Molly. And so let's get this box open and I will show you what I got. Here it is, guys. It came, and this is 30 days worth of food. Here's the size of this box. It is 17 pounds according to the shipping label, and I have not opened it yet. It came yesterday. It took 2 days to arrive from the time I ordered it, so I thought that was super fast. And I have already weighed myself, so I'm so excited. Today is day one of this girl finally getting this damn weight off. Okay, so I haven't opened it. As you know, here's my knife that I just used to open the box. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then I'm gonna put the box down and show you each item. So I have a packing slip. It says everything that's in this box on here. The first thing I noticed is a new shaker cup. This is the nice small size. Here's my hand, which is, if you're on the go, these are great for your shakes, but at home I prefer to do them in the blender with ice. That's just me. So I will, and you know what, you can mix other things in here, shake it up like the pancake mix or whatever, and use this to pour it out in a pan. But all right, I'm gonna put this box down and let's get started. Okay guys, so remember, I was on this plan when it was MetaFast. It is now called Optavia. So some of the foods in here I was already familiar with and that I had already loved. Okay, I'm just so excited. Don't mind the way I look. Sorry. Okay. Yes, Casey, what's in that box? So the first thing I want to show you is my box of cereal. This is called Red Berry Crunch of O's, and I have to tell you, this reminds me, you guys are gonna laugh because this is gonna age me so much, but there used to be cereals back in the day called Frankenberry. They were like pink, and there was a picture of Frankenstein, but he was pink. These taste just like that to me. That's what they remind me of. They're awesome. You can put this in a bowl, and according to the plan, you're allowed to have some almond milk unsweetened, which I love. So you can either have this with cereal or right out of the bag. I used to just take it with me to work and eat it right out of the bag. I got 2 boxes of that. Next thing I got, which I love, I remember from last time, were the creamy double peanut butter crisp bars. That's what they look like. I got 2 boxes of those. So we have 2 boxes of bars. This is something totally new to me, never had it. And I believe this one is sweetened with stevia. Yep, stevia extract. So this is so exciting. Years ago, a lot of it was used a lot of the foods we're using, why can't I speak? We're using Splenda and things like that. Now they use stevia, so that's awesome, guys. Look at this. Sweet blueberry biscuit. That looks good. Okay, hold on. Now on some days when it rains, I'm known for wanting something like comforting, and that's the day that I'll usually make steak or something like that, but I decided to go with this because I've missed chili. This is hearty red bean and vegetable chili. Looks good. Can make this in a soup mug, and that will be something that I will enjoy when it's cold out. This looks really good. Roasted garlic creamy smashed potatoes. I saw a girl make these online into waffle fries, and I'm gonna show you that once I get this open. Not today, but I'm gonna make a video on that. And you can have reduced sugar ketchup, so that's awesome. Yay! What's this? Tropical fruit smoothie. This tastes like banana, coconut, and people say that it's really good. So this with a ton of ice in the blender is gonna be amazing. What else did I get? This is the, caramel macchiato shake. I can have this on its own, or I'm thinking of adding this to a cup of coffee in the morning as my creamer and a meal. I'm so excited. Okay, I got another box of chili. Because remember, this is 30 days, so it's good to order 2 of things that you think you're gonna like. This is another one of the blueberry biscuits. Okay, this I loved when I was on the old plan. Chocolate chip pancakes. And you can make these into waffles. You don't have to pour them into a pan. You can put this in a shaker cup and add some ice to it and have a chocolate chip smoothie. You could do so many things with these. It's so versatile. Okay, the last time I did this plan, this product was part of it. And I have to tell you, this was my favorite. This was my favorite. And remember, I had such good success on this plan. Ready? Oh yeah, chocolate mint cookie crisp bar. You guys like the Thin Mints from Girl Scouts? I used to put this in the freezer, and I used to cut it up into little pieces, throw it in a Ziploc, put it in the freezer, and when my last meal of the day came, after dinner that I cooked myself, the Lean and Green it's called, I would take out my little Ziploc of pieces, and it was like eating Thin Mints for dessert. I kid you not. This, holy grail. And I think I got 2 of them, so let me see. Yep, 2 of those. Okay. Then, and this was another thing that I loved. This, the brownie. Okay, I saw a hack with this where you can put this in a blender with ice and 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, and it makes a chocolate thick creamy shake, and you're getting in some good fat with it. I don't know, I'd probably just make it into the brownie. That's just me, but there are some really good hacks that people have. I got 2 of these cranberry honey nut granola bars. I got 2. And, oh, I remember these from last time too. These are delicious. Delish. Wait till you hear what you could do with this. Parmesan, what is it? Parmesan garlic poppers. Okay, these things are hearty and crunchy. You can either eat them as a meal like this, or if you have where you want to save this to use with your dinner, you can make these into croutons, just sprinkle them over a salad. Or I used to smash them up and bread my chicken in it. You can, on this plan, dip your chicken in some egg beaters or egg whites or whatever you want to do, and then coat them in this. Guys, ridiculous. You can't fail on this plan. It's done for you. So I'm excited. Okay, another brownie, because I love them. And this was something that I hated when I first started the last time, But then I started to really acquire a taste for it, and then I couldn't live without it. It's the Orchard Apple and Cinnamon Spiced Oatmeal. This is good on a cold morning, even though it's turning into summer. You can make these into oatmeal cookies. It's another thing I'm gonna show you how to do. I'm gonna do all kinds of hacks and show you how to make all of this into other things, which is something good to know. Another pancake, because I love them. No shocker. Another brownie. 30 days, guys, remember. And in each box, there's 7 pouches. So keep that in mind. And another popper. And last but not least, never tried this, rustic tomato herb penne. Look at how good that looks. This will make a really good lunch. Okay, that's my 30-day shipment. Now, in the box also comes your hard copy guide, and in it is literally everything. You have a table of contents. I don't know if you can see that. And it just talks about the plan, daily support, all your different steps, all right? And then I know in here there's some tips, there's a journal. Talks about your optional snacks, your lean and green, things like that. Now, when I say lean and green, what that means is after eating 5 meals a day, and they're interchangeable, so you literally can pick anything you want to eat at any time during the day as long as you're eating every 2 to 3 hours. I can have 5 bars if I want. I can have one of each of these products if I want. I can use one of these products to add to my lean and green. Let me explain what the lean and green, oh my God, guys, I look terrible. Sorry. The lean and green is a lean protein, 5 to 7 ounces, and 3 servings of greens. And you also have the option to add additional fat, because remember, this plan will put you into ketosis, except you're eating every few hours, and that works best for me. So there's so many different things. You can have different condiments. You can have different fats, it's endless. And there's so many choices. Let me also let you know that all of the items that I did show you out of this box were just a very small portion of what this company offers. There are tons and tons, and each month I'm gonna try new things, so I'm gonna always show you what I get. And I'm gonna try and expand my taste. These are called Fuelings. Each item I showed you is called a fueling. They don't like to call it a meal. I really don't know why and what that is, which I'm gonna research. So you get 7 fuelings in a box. You eat 5 fuelings per day and 1 lean and green and a ton of water. Okay, so today is day 1 of my journey. It is now 8:42 on Saturday, April 28th, 2018, first day of my new journey, and let's get this weight off. So this is just a little unboxing video, guys. There is going to be so much more to come. I'm going to show you how I prepare my meals, a full day of eating. I'm going to show you hacks on ways you can use this food if you don't want to just eat it out of the box, which you can and most people do. And I'm going to show you my weight loss, and I'm going to show you you're going to get everything for those of you, because you guys left me so many comments, and I was so happy to see that none of you were disappointed in this, and some of you, quite frankly, were really interested in it. I'm not a salesperson. I paid my own money to get this stuff, and I do have a health coach. Now, this company provides you a free health coach who is there for you whenever you need them. And you speak to them on the phone or however you two decide to do it. And they are someone that, first of all, has been successful on the program. 2, has gone through the training to be a health coach from the company. So it's not just some fly-by-night person. And I have to tell you, my health coach is amazing. She is available, and we speak on the phone, we text. And I have to call her in a little while and let her know that I'm starting, because she was so excited yesterday when I told her the box came. And yeah, so I am totally excited, guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. And this is going to be the journey of all journeys, and I will finally meet my goal. Now, I also want you to remember when I started this plan a few years ago, this really kicked off my whole journey, and this is what led me to keto. So I know I can be successful, and I haven't gained all this weight back. Again, I ate like crazy this week, so I have gained a couple pounds, but I enjoyed it. So anyway, let me go eat breakfast. I'll talk to you guys soon, and thank you for all of your support, love, and kind words. I do appreciate them so much. I really do. All right, so we're going to continue with my tagline, my infamous tagline, stay focused. Have a great day, guys. Bye.